Ruby and Popcorn, Part 1. Ruby, do you like popcorn? You do? Do you want some? Are you really hungry, Ruby? Do you want some popcorn? Okay, here you go. Here's popcorn. Here's some popcorn. Is it good? Do you like it? Do you want some popcorn? Do you want some popcorn? You want some popcorn? Here you go. Is it yummy? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah? Lay down. Lay down. Do you want some? Do you want some? Want some popcorn? Ruby, do you love Mommy? Yeah? Is Daddy smelly? Yeah? Do you want me to eat this? Do you want to eat it? Good girl, Ruby. Good girl. Do you like the popcorn? Yeah. Say bye-bye.